This video will explain how you can improve your YouTube channel. I am also applying this to my channel. Do you know what they say in basketball? You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. So you need to actually take a shot. You need to actually make videos. I've seen people, oh my gosh, they have quit after making only a few videos. I mean, come on, really? Your first couple of videos are not going to be really good. I mean, I remember my first videos, I wasn't even confident to speak. I was not confident to speak on camera, bro. I felt like there was this like weight on me. Like as soon as I turn on the camera, as soon as I press record on I'm actually recording on my phone right now, it's right here, I would just get so nervous, and it was so hard to just focus on what I want to say. I would just be stuttering, and oh man. But now it's a bit better. But back then, that's how it was. Your first few videos are always going to be like that. You just have to keep pushing through. I believe in you. You got this. Okay, I'm going to give you some tips, all right? And these are some tips from some big YouTubers that are really successful, and you should also use these tips in your channel. These are all things that I want to improve on as well. I'm learning them as well on my channel just to improve my videos and everything. So the first one is public speaking. YouTube right now, you are actually speaking on camera. This is actually a skill that you can learn, public speaking. It takes years to become an expert at public speaking. You can keep on improving. You can become very good in just a few months though. So keep learning that. To learn how to tell stories on camera, how to project your voice, speak from your diaphragm. You know, when I'm speaking, sometimes I speak from my just voice up here. Like when you're nervous, it's like your voice is coming from your throat right here, but it's actually, the correct way to speak is to speak from your diaphragm. Right now, just put your hand on your chest. Do this for me right now. Try it right now. Put your hand on your chest and just say and then just speak from down here. You see how the voice just comes from here? Put your hand on your chest, bring it back down, and then just speak. This gives you more authority when you're speaking. At the end of your sentence, when you're speaking, if you decrease the pitch, like if I say something and I increase the pitch at the end of the sentence, it sounds like I'm asking a question, right? It actually seems like I'm asking a question, but it seems like I'm asking a question. You see how when I go down, it's actually better. It's like I'm sure about what I'm saying. Don't ask a question. Don't make the pitch go up. Make the pitch go down. This is something that you can learn in public speaking. So find some YouTubers, find some books where you can learn public speaking and actually get really good at that. That is something that I'm actually teaching on my channel as well. So I'll give some videos about that too in the future, because I think everyone can benefit from that. Join this Tube Hustle community. Subscribe right now to join us. We are welcoming everyone. This is a community where everyone is welcome. It doesn't matter which country you're from. You could be from anywhere, any continent, but we welcome you. Any background, any country. We come together and we learn together. There is an Arabic saying that is quite popular in my country, Somalia. The saying is ilmu bayna talamid. It means the knowledge is among the students. The students are sharing the knowledge. That's what it means. So right now on this channel, we are sharing knowledge. That's what we're doing. So join this community so you can benefit from this community of the future big YouTubers. Okay, the next one is screen presence, which is kind of related to public speaking. Screen presence is when you're on camera, the way you're sitting, you have to have good body language. You can't be like this. If you're just tight like this and you're just speaking and you're scratching your face and stuff and you're touching your mouth, it means you're nervous. It's better to be more relaxed and open. I'm trying to improve this as well. I keep forgetting to do this, but I've done it actually quite well in my recent videos. You make yourself quite wide. When you take up more space and you're wide, this good body language, it shows that you are confident and that you're not just scared behind the camera like I was in the beginning. I was quite scared, yeah. But now I'm feeling a bit better. I've been running this channel for like a year right now. I record after work. I work in IT in London, England. So after work, I'm just recording videos and editing. So I'm trying to improve little things here and there and follow my journey here. I'm documenting my entire journey. Anything that I learn, I share on this channel. This is kind of like a documentation journey, and I'm creating a community of YouTubers. This is where we can all learn. This is actually something that I'm using myself. Anything that I learn, I share on Tube Hustle. This is like an archive of knowledge for YouTubers. If you haven't even started it, this can still benefit you because my videos can help you set a plan so you can start and actually get your first 100 views, 200 views, and yeah, just keep going from there. Okay, the next one is filmmaking, which is something that I haven't really gone good at yet. I haven't really learned it, but it's something that I'm planning to learn in the following months if things go good and I'm still consistent, because I'm trying to be more consistent now. I do 2 videos a week. I try to at least do 1 video a week. If I'm sick or something, then I just don't do it. I try to keep some videos ready before, then I upload them. But if I'm sick that week, I just skip it because, I don't know, you don't want to force yourself, you don't want to burn out, you want to take breaks when you need to. Okay, filmmaking is how you organize the video into like a good structure, and people are able to watch it, and there are quiet moments and there are exciting moments, and it just has a good flow, a good story, and it helps the viewer just really enjoy your video. Filmmaking is something that I haven't learned yet really well. I'm planning to learn that in the coming months, so don't forget filmmaking. Okay, if these tips are helping you out so far, then I ask you to leave a comment down below. Let me know if these tips are helping you out right now, if I'm actually providing value to you, if this is helping you out. I know you're out there, I can see you, all of you YouTubers, you are all there, you are on this channel. I welcome you all. Just leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and actually give me any feedback on my video and anything that I can improve, because I'm also trying to improve my channel as well. I read all of your comments. Okay, those tips were good so far, but you're gonna see even more tips coming up in this video, so keep watching. Okay, the next one is writing. You need to learn how to write. When you make a video, you don't just make a video, you don't just talk randomly. You have like a script that you're following. Right now in my notes, I have it right here. I have some script that I'm following, so it's telling me what to say on each part of the video, in the beginning part, in the middle, and towards the end, and all of these reminders to subscribe, all of those, they're all in there. So that's what I call a script. You have to have good writing skills. When you incorporate these writing skills into your scripts, it adds good vocabulary and good grammar and good structure for your video, and these sentences actually help drive the point home for the viewers that are watching your channel. Okay, the final one that is coming up, editing. You have to learn how to edit. Actually, just don't even edit that, it's too crazy. Just edit the basics of edit. Just learn the basics of editing, like how to cut, how to do a bit of automation, add a little bit of effects, add subtitles. Don't do anything too crazy depending on your videos, but just do the basics in the beginning. Just learn that, how to make a good high quality video with good audio, good video quality, good resolution. And yeah, just get really good at your editing program that you use. Become like a master at it. Add some like automation so your editing becomes easier. For one, editing just takes so long, man. It's just endless. It just takes hours just to make one video. But I don't care, I still do it because I kind of like editing. Even though I'm trying to even though it takes long, I still like it. But I'm trying to automate a bit more. I'm trying to add little keyboard shortcuts and presets. If you know what those are, look those up, by the way. Those are really good because those will save you minutes on each video, but over time that adds up to being hours and hours. That would make you more productive. I'm kind of like a productivity nut. People say that I'm a productivity nut, and I'm OCD. I'm not really OCD. I'm just very organized in terms of like what I do. I don't just do something randomly. My name is Mahad. People just say, "Hey Mahad, why are you so organized?" I'm like, what? Yes, I am. I try to be more productive, and productivity is something that I also value on this channel. I share that to my viewers. It's something that I preach on this channel as well, is to be productive and actually focus when you're making videos. Okay, that's it. Mahad from 2Puzzle here. I hope this video has helped you out so far. If you want to learn how to actually make money, how do YouTubers even make money after they get views? Well, to answer that question, I've actually made a video for you right here.